SAP Extended Warehouse Management (EWM) is used to efficiently manage entry in the warehouse and for supporting the processing of goods movement. It allows the company to control its warehouse inbound and outbound processes and movement of goods in the warehouse. SAP EWM provides more a robust solution to manage warehouse functions in an organization. It is also a part of SAP Supply Chain Management and also supports all the processes within logistics and supply chain. Best Online Career offers SAP EWMS Online Training. With the SAP EWMS Online course, you become an expert at managing and tracking logistics execution process and master concepts like goods receipt and goods issue, storage control, warehouse order creation, posting changes, stock transfers, and replenishment, physical inventory and the consolidation process. SAP EWMS Online Training offers robust and automated support for processing goods movement and managing stocks in a complex warehouse. SAP EWMS offers flexible, planned, and efficient processing of all logistics processes. With SAP EWMS you get a real-time view of the total quantity of a product in the warehouse and its absolute location. Using SAP EWM, you can control the warehouse activities like picking, posting, and managing storage bin and good receipts. Features of the training are: updated course content, 24/7 remote server access, lifetime access to course content, videos and study materials, flexibility to learn anytime, anywhere. To know more, do visit us at